Hello, hello. This is Robin Sampson McCarthy with BibleJournalClasses.com. Today I'm going to teach you how to fold this little pocket. And addicting. Once you make one, you're going to love it so much you're going to make a dozen. This pocket was designed to go along with our Bible symbolism class. It's a great way to store your journal cards from the lessons. And it was a real answer to prayer. I was looking for a project that was quick and simple that we could use with our class, just about a lesson a day, 24 lessons in 1 month, that wouldn't take hours to assemble. But I still wanted it to be beautiful and purposeful. And then I came across this little folded design and I knew it was just right. It fits the symbolism kit perfectly. And you can tuck it right into your treasure journal. Now, we call junk journals treasure journals for obvious reasons. So here's the pocket, just one piece of paper, folded and filled. The one I'm showing you today is a free printable you can get at the BibleJournalClasses.com blog. And it's a 5-page PDF with all the tags that you see here and then 4 different papers. You only need 1 paper to make the pocket, but I need you to make 1 paper and print on both sides. Inside the pocket are more pockets. There's a pocket on the inside flap, a sliding side pocket on the outside flap, and then a pocket in that flap. And then when you turn it over, there's another pocket on the outside. So it really works great for the symbolism class because we study 6 to 9 different objects in every lesson, and there's a card for every object. Step 1 is to print the pockets and the tags. Start by printing one of the pattern papers on both sides of regular copy paper. Do not use cardstock for the pocket. It's too hard to fold. Then print your tag sheet. Now this one I really like to print on cardstock so the tags are strong and durable, and I also print them on both sides. So you print a pretty flowered paper first and then flip it over and print the tags on the other side. Trim off the white border from the edges of the paper before you fold. Next, cut out your tags. I like to use a paper trimmer. There's very little fussy cutting because most of them are straight edges. Now I'll show you exactly how to fold the pocket. This is another one that I created just to show you that the pocket is a little bit deeper. It depends on how you fold it, how deep the pocket is. So here I have my 2-sided paper. And first I'm just going to fold it in half. Be careful to match your edges. Use a bone folder or the back of a butter knife to get your creases crisp. So now you're going to fold up about 1/3. It's up to you how deep you want your pocket, between 1/4 and 1/3 up. And you can use your ruler if you feel better about it. Be sure that your center crease is lined up. Now we're going to fold up another 6 inches maybe. Yeah, 6 inches. And you can, do it as much as you want. So there's 2 inches left over. Now we're going to fold that 2 inches up into the middle to make our inside back flap pocket, which automatically gives you a back pocket. And there you have it. How about that? How quick and easy was that? Now I'm going to show you how to glue it. I say glue, but I use score tape. A lot of people, most people probably use bottle glue or a glue stick. I just happen to prefer score tape. Tacky glue works really well. So let's start with the front pocket. I'm just going to add a little piece of it. Score tape is just double-sided tape. And a bone folder always helps. Then I use a stick pin to start my release my tape. There's the front pocket. Now let's do the inside pockets. For the inside front flap, we're going to use the pocket that we cut out from the cardstock when we cut out the tags. And again, I'm just going to put a little bit of score tape on the bottom and on both sides because this is a pocket. The whole inside center needs to be clear so that the pocket can fit there. If you use your bone folder or a ruler, it makes cutting the score tape a little bit easier. Let me just trim off a little end here. I made it too long. And the bone folder. The other side. And I think I can speed up the next part because you're getting the idea. And now we'll do the pocket on the back flap. Just one little piece of score tape goes there. And then this is the flap that we're going to turn into a pocket by putting score tape on the top and on the bottom. Again, you try to get it closer than I got it to the bottom and to the top, because the closer you get it to the edges, the more room you have inside your pocket. And it makes a difference because sometimes the tag's just 1/8 of an inch too wide and it won't fit. Now I think I'll ink a few of the edges. Now I've seen other people on videos just go to a lot of trouble with their scissors and aging it up, and I didn't do all that. I'm just doing a little bit of ink to cover up when you crease the paper. Sometimes there's some white areas. And I like to corner round the corners, which is easy to do once you have it all folded. You can do several corners at one time. This is a simple corner punch. You can get it at any craft store. I can link it below in the video description with the score tape. Same thing, score tape and the ink and corner punches can be gotten at any craft store. Sorry, I went off camera there. I'm just looking for a few more things. If you have the kit, there's a lot more that you can add to the pockets other than the freebie. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed the freebie. If you do, make something. I hope you share it in a Facebook group. Bye-bye for now.